I tried putting a wind meter over a speaker and the result was way stranger than I thought. Let me show you. If you hold your hand over a speaker, you can feel a little bit of air coming off of it. So I thought it would be fun to measure that. When I moved my meter over the speaker, I was expecting to get a small wind reading. But I got something really weird instead. Watch this. I have the speaker set to 200 hertz. "22 miles per hour. Let's change the frequency to 400 hertz and see what happens. Over 40 miles per hour. As I increase the frequency of the speaker, the reading seems to get higher. 600 hertz now. Let's see if it's higher. At 600 hertz, it registers near hurricane force winds. 800. 1,000 hertz. 1,200 hertz. Once I got the frequency up to around 1,200 hertz, the meter seemed to really have a hard time registering the wind speed. Will it detect 1,400 hertz or not? Let's find out. I think that's the limit. I'm pretty sure what was happening was there was a little sensor inside of this meter that detects vibrations from this little propeller thing spinning. And the rapidly vibrating compression waves from the speaker were vibrating the sensor, causing it to think the propeller was spinning really fast. So it was causing the meter to give extremely high readings. On the graph, the wind speed climbs in a pretty linear pattern with each 200 hertz increase in frequency. The small variations are probably just from how I was holding the meter and the fact that it was not designed to be used like this.